Uh, Welcome to ICT on CAD design using Creo software. First, we'll go through what is CAD and what is CAD design and what are the basics, origin of CAD, uses of CAD, and what are the applications. Where are the different softwares of CAD available in the market and its basic purposes, type of applications. Okay, we'll start with what is CAD. CAD is also known as computer aided drafting. There are three types of CAD. One is 2D, another one is 2.5D, and another one is 3D. So it started from 2D, now it's been updated to 3D. The software is used to create and design these types and test them. So design models. So CAD is nothing but to design a 3D models, okay, using the designs or the innovations whichever we use. Now, CAD is an integration of computer graphics, design engineering, and geometric modeling. So, computer graphics is nothing but the use of computers and the graphical features. Design engineering is the design, whatever the design the designers do, the engineering calculations and everything. The geometric modeling is use of lines, splines, solid bodies, okay, removing of material, addition of material, top down approach, these things. So CAD is an integration of all three things, which is computer graphics, design engineering, geometric modeling. Okay, next, coming to origin of CAD. So the first source of CAD resulted from attempts to automate the drafting process. So initially there was no CAD softwares. The drafting process means your 2D drawings which were available for the manufacturing. So they used to do it manually. So all the drawings used to be drawn manually before 90s. Okay, in the 19th century, in the 18th century, and before 90s, in 90s they used to draw the CAD drawings manually using the traces and other geometrical tools. But now, after the development of CAD was pioneered by General Motors Research Laboratories in 1960s. In 1960s, to automate the drafting process, that is to create 2D draftings using computer-aided design, using computers. So CAD became more widely used in 1970s because of its technological advancements. Now here technological advancements means whatever the CAD drawings which used to be drawn manually, if any mistake is being done, the whole drawing needs to be redone properly. So here if any mistakes are done in these CAD drawings using the CAD softwares, those can be updated or changed immediately without any effort. Without any effort, it will take less time to change or update the drawings with the CAD systems. Without the CAD system, the manual drafting used to take a long time and the huge man hours. Now, and the next origin is the CAD allowed users to design products much quicker without the production of an actual product. So in this, before CAD was developed, so everything needs to be in 2D. So 3D only drawings needs to be there. They were not able to visualize. Using the CAD design products, they can visualize the product before production itself, how it looks, what is the height, what is the size. They can send it for reviews. Okay, these are the users of CAD. And next coming, these are the origin of CAD. And coming to the users of CAD, CAD is used to design a variety of different products for a variety of fields such as architecture, electronics, automotive engineering, industrial design, machinery, visual art, medical design. So all these are the functional areas where the CAD can be used. In an architecture, it can be used, for building plans, for building infrastructure. In electronics, the use is for designing PCB boards and designing layouts of the PCBs and the electronic circuits. In automotive engineering, the use of CAD is huge. It's lot amount of variety it can be used, from generating 2D models or from generating 3D models, and from generating surfacing for new product engineering. And then in industrial design, it is very much useful for designing plant layout, plant design, plant location, so how the plants can be there. And then machinery, and the machinery here, it can be done using the machines also, using the CAM softwares. The visual art, And medical designs. Nowadays, medical design is an important aspect where all the medical devices can be designed using CAD. Can be designed using CAD. These are the uses of CAD, and this here you can see few of the applications how the CAD design can be used. These are the few of the softwares, different softwares. If you could see this vehicle can be modeled in CAD. So all the tires and then the suspension system, the seating system, everything can be modeled in the CAD and can be visualized. All these are as per the specs and would be according to the design. So here the figure to the right, it is a vice which is having some mechanical equipment, gears and the devices, levers, okay, rack and pinion mechanism, how it looks, how many components comes there, how it gets assembled. That is also important. That can also be done here, which was not available until CAD systems were available. Now here, not only to the mechanical sector and to the consumer goods also, consumer products also can be modeled here, can be designed here, and can be checked before production itself. And heavy engineering, that is aerospace, from a simple nut to a complete aerospace turbine engine can be modeled using CAD softwares. And it takes less space to model these CAD softwares. So all these engineering drawings if of a turbine, of a aircraft turbine, can be engine turbine, can be if it is printed on a 2D, it will take huge amount of files. Now all this can be modeled in a CAD software and can be read through a computer softwares and can be compressed into 2 MB or 3 MB file size, which is easy to carry and easy to transport or easy to send the files. And the other set of application is for architecture people, for architecture area and civil engineering area. So they can use these CAD softwares to build the plans, floor plans, and then the house plans. So where which room comes here, at what dimensions, what is the size of the rooms, what is the size of the bedroom, what is the size of the hall, everything can be done. And the exterior look, exterior finish, how aesthetics, what type of elevation can be given to the buildings, that can also be seen beforehand, before construction itself. This application is regarding the industrial engineering. So this is a plant, a thermal power plant, wherein they use the lot of coolant oils, how they are going to be used or how they are going to be processed. See the detailing of the number of pipes used here and the number of filters used here. Okay, all this can be designed in CAD software itself, can be assembled, can be used for further processing, can be used for further analysis on this, can be used to check the plant size. The sizes can be given, can we accommodate all this machinery in a particular amount of space, that can be seen using CAD softwares. And the other applications are huge applications. So this, the aesthetics, the ergonomics, the airfield, it can be checked here. So this is for a car turbine, how this gear mechanism works, how the suspension works, everything can be modeled in 2D and 3D, can be assembled and can be seen here. Now this is the example for electronics, how the printed circuits are arranged, where each diode is there and a capacitor is there and how the lines are flowing, that can be done. So now where in a design process where our CAD softwares are being useful. Now that we will see now, the design process and engineering activity, the first phase will be the need phase where they will collect the information from all the vendors, and then the second phase is the concept phase where they will make the concept. Next phase is the modeling and simulation phase, and next one is analysis, and then optimize, evaluate and communicate. So here in need phase, it is just a manual design. In concept phase, geometric models and graphics are used. Modeling and simulation, it will be used to move and animate and visualize. And for communicating, drafting and detailing. So the area where the CAD software will be used is here, which is in geometric models, graphics for visualizing, animating, drafting and detailing. There are so many CAD software providers. There are so many CAD softwares available in the market. Few of the software providers are Dassault Systems, they provide CATIA. PTC provides ProE and Creo. AutoCAD provides the AutoCAD systems. Dassault Systems also provides SolidWorks, which is also one of the software. Solid Edge is one of the software. UGS provides NX. one of the software. CATIA is generally used for surfacing. PTC is used for solid modeling. AutoCAD is generally used for 2D modeling. Thank you. Next session, we will get an introduction about Creo software, which is regarding this ICT.